The Parrot and the Shopkeeper. Once upon a time, there was a shopkeeper who had a beautiful green parrot in his store. The parrot knew human language and was able to talk to people. He would joke with the customers and made them laugh. Because of the parrot, the shopkeeper had a lot of customers. One day, the shopkeeper was out of his store and the parrot broke a jar of oil while he was jumping from one jar to another and caused the oil to spill all over the store. When the shopkeeper saw his greasy store, he knew it was the parrot who caused it and picked up a stick and hit the parrot on his head. Because of the wounds, all of the parrot's feathers fell out and he became bald. The parrot never talked to anyone after that event and never made any jokes. The shopkeeper and his customers were very sad about this. He lost many of his customers and regretted what he had done with his beautiful parrot. He would rather his hands had been broken so that he wouldn't have been able to hit the parrot that day. He prayed to God that his parrot would speak again and make his store prosperous once more. One day, the shopkeeper was sitting outside his store in sadness when a bald man walked down the street. His head was as shiny as a copper bowl. The parrot suddenly became vocal and asked, "Oh bald man, why did you break the oil jar and became bald? By doing that, you joined the bald club. You shouldn't have broken the jar." The people laughed at the parrot's comparison. He thought whoever was bald had spilled oil. What are some of the examples you know that appear to be the same on the surface, but they are truly different? Tell us in the comments, and if you like to see more of Rumi's stories, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I'll see you soon!